guys, Ray here from Pittwater Mowing. We're just in a just got a big storm come over at the moment. It's only 3 in the afternoon. It looks like night time. It's got very dark. Sun doesn't set till 8 o'clock tonight, so that's still a good 5 hours away. But anyway, my Honda self-propelled mower has started to make a very bad knocking noise. It honestly sounds like it's a big end bearing in the motor, but I know what it is. It's not that bad. It's actually the blade carrier disc. That's the round disc underneath the mower that holds that the 4 blades are bolted to. That gets cracks in it. So I have had it happen once before. It's not that common, like, you know, in 10 years I've had it happen once on a previous mower. My current Honda self-propelled has got just under 600 hours on it, so I think it's 590 hours. Yeah, so not too bad going, and I think they're only about $20 for a new disc, but I do have a spare one at home, so I'm just ducking back home to the workshop to get it. And I'll anyway, come with us guys, I'll film it and I'll show you how to fix it up. All right, cheers. This is it guys, the blade carrier disc. See how it's wobbling? It's actually cracked. Yeah, where I'm pointing there, around, yeah, the centre of it, it's actually all cracked there. Now that causes that whole disc to wobble on the crankshaft and causes that bad knocking noise. It honestly sounds like the motor's about to blow up. When it's going flat out, it's not too bad, but it's obviously vibrating around a lot. But it's at the lower revs you really notice the knocking noise. So what I'll do here, it's just a 14mm socket to undo the nut, the bolt. So I've just got one of those rechargeable rattle guns. They're very, very handy. It's just a little Ryobi, yeah, cordless rattle gun. Awesome little tool. So I've just zapped it off there. Now that's the cracks in there. It's just cracks where it mounts onto the crankshaft. So yeah, anyway, that one's chucked. Anyway, I had a spare one, so I've just put some brand new discs on it, brand new blades on there. But yeah, so I'll just pop that back on and put the 14mm bolt back in there, and should be good to go. So I'm just going to rattle gun that up, just nip that up a little bit when the rattle gun works. Yep, so she's on, and this will fix it. Anyway, we'll fire her up and give her a little test run, and should be good. Let's give it a few revs. Sounded pretty good. Job done. Fixed and ready for another 590 hours hopefully. Alright, cheers guys.